Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a daily rant. We don't have them every day because I don't have necessarily always a subject to rant about, but there's one today. It's the famous and always going on A/B testing that Microsoft does all the time. It started in the insider rings. If you guys remember, some of you that are insiders were annoyed. We would have a new feature popping up. That'd be something in the control panel or in the settings app or some app that would have a new feature, and people wanted to test it. But oh no, I don't have that. I don't have that set. I don't have that setting, that app, that change, that new feature. It annoyed the hell out of insiders because insiders, what do they want? They want all of it immediately. They want to see the new stuff. And it happens, of course, also in the standard Windows app, the stable app that everybody has. One example, and the latest saga of things that show up for you but not for me, is the famous start menu change, one with the phone link panel on the side with it. It's one of numerous things that are showing up for some, not for others. Add to the fact that there was another layer of people being pretty frustrated, and it's the fact that, oh, well, it shows up, but not for in every country or every language. Things never happen for some people. I remember the frustration of some people that did want to test out and play with Cortana to learn that, well, in your language, in your country, it's not going to show up. It never did. You have to install in English, American English, or American, U.S. for things to show up. And you end up being a little frustrated by, well, we have it, you don't have it, it isn't available here, will never be available here. So this is my daily rant. Microsoft, when you push stuff and want, to add new stuff to your Windows, not just for insiders, but for standard users, push it for everybody. Stop doing, oh, here are 12 people that got it, the others don't. It's annoying, and it's obviously dumb. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.